Today's skill builder is representing fractions and mixed numbers. A fraction has a denominator. The denominator represents the number of parts it takes to make the whole. This fraction has two parts to make the whole. It looks like this. The numerator represents the number of parts shaded in. This fraction has one part shaded in.
Is that pizza made of cheese?
Fractions can be represented on number lines as well. The denominator represents the number of tick marks it takes to make it to 1. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. The position where an item is located represents the numerator. The item is positioned 2 tick marks from the 0. The rat will be put here. The model shows the representation of a fraction in a set. The denominator represents the number of items in the set. There are 3. The numerator represents the number of water bottles in the set. There is 1. 1/3 of the set is a water bottle. Fractions larger than 1 can also be represented. Here is the fraction 1 2/4. The denominator represents the number of parts it takes to make the whole. From 0 to 1 there are 4 tick marks. This represents 1 whole. Now we need to go 2 more fourths. I am going to put the cheese right here. The position of the cheese represents 1 2/4.
Why are you teasing me?
Just a few more examples and I have a surprise for you. This fraction is made up of 8 parts. The smallest part of the model is 1/8. The smallest part of the model is called a unit fraction. Fractions with a numerator of 1 are unit fractions. When a model is shown to find the total fraction, you can add unit fractions together to find the total amount. In the model it takes 8 parts to make the whole. 1/8 is a unit fraction. There are 2 parts shaded, so the equation is 1/8 plus 1/8 equals 2/8. We can also represent a fraction when given an expression. This expression is 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6. We need a model that is split into 6 parts. There are 3 unit fractions. 3 parts will be shaded in to look like this.
Hurry up. I feel a need for cheese.
Patience, my dear rat friend. The last example shows a model with 6 out of the 6 pieces filled in. The fraction is written like this: 6/6. Since all the pieces are filled in, this can also be written as 1. 1 whole model is shown.
Whoopee.
Now is the time you have been waiting for. Just for you, the Tower of Cheese. Thanks for your help. Good luck practicing.